Sup guys? Jogging. Di pa ako natutulog pero magja-jogging na ako. Let's go. Ay, dire-diretso na lang to guys. Walang sakyan dito na dumadaan masyado. Ingat guys. I don't know bro. This shit is hard bro. I haven't slept yet. Di pa ako kumakain. Grind lang ako ng grind. Paggawa ng digital products. Pag-create ng aking website. I don't know why I'm doing this bro. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I will let it flow. Tapusin ko lang to then okay na. Because time heals everything. Okay. Peace. Bro, I'm tired of jogging bro. But I can't stop. But for now, I'ma just walk bro. Like, damn bro. I'ma feel the peace. Yo, that shit is in my palm bro. Nah. Real bitch.
No emotion, put in a pin. We get it no matter the weather. Sun, snow, sleet, rain. Go sleep and do it again. My heart been telling me yes, man been telling me no. I can't explain this feeling. Everyone said that they love me. Liars, simply don't know the meaning. My shorty keep it simple. I got her, don't need to please me. My songs, like my feelings, in the bank, but I can't release them. I grind cause I gotta get paid. 1% chance, 99% faith. I fell in love with the hustle. I fell in love with the chase. No emotion, put in the pain. We get it no matter the weather.
Gagi guys, ang bigat. Maraming sito guys, inubos ko na. Next na tindahan guys, ubusin ulit natin yung sito. Guys, inuubos ko na guys. Wala na akong perang natira. So ayun guys, sarado yung dito. Tindahan. Dito, walang dito sito. Dito sana ako bumili ng una eh. So walang sito dyan.